Hi guys, we are doing the KVM module or RFM module for Jaguar XF 2015. That's the module, that's the wiring. We're gonna read the EEPROM and the flash. So we're gonna go to the chip EEPROM, chip read and write. And that's what is it, mobilizer, Jaguar. So we are after this one on the light. So this one we are after on secure. I already see the chip. If you can focus. That's the chip. I mean, whatever it calls. So that's the warning. They give you warning. Be careful what you're working with. So we're gonna read the flash. First, we're gonna read the ID. So it reads the ID. So I think the connection is good. Now we're gonna read the EEPROM. It's gonna read it first and it's gonna confirm again. See, I know start with FF, but if you go up, or actually down, you can see some numbers. See here. I don't know what this number is, but something. So I know I'm getting the right EEPROM. So now save it. Let us call it. Oops. EEPROM. 15 Jaguar XF. So we are done from the EEPROM. Let's go read the flash. The flash was just gonna take way longer, I think. It depends the flash on this module. Again, that's for 2015 XF Jaguar KVM module for keyless or mobilizer. With the EEPROM you can get 2 keys. if you have all keys lost. That's the flash. This type of module. I'm doing it with this adapter, hotel adapter, and 400 Pro. Again, start with F, but this flash is big flash. So here, a lot of numbers. Let us call it flash. Oops. Oh well. I forget. That's the diagram. To make it big, but it won't. Anyway, thank you.